Hello everyone and welcome back to the Cloud Academy. Today I'm going to be talking you through what exactly Microsoft To Do is. Microsoft To Do is a simple and intelligent to-do list that makes it easy to plan your day. Whether it's for work, school or home, To Do will help to increase your productivity and decrease stress. To Do syncs your phone and computer so you can add, organize and schedule your to-dos while on the go. You can also use To Do as a note-taking app, adding detailed notes to every to-do, from addresses, to details about a film you want to watch, to the website of your favorite business. All of these tasks and notes are collected in one place, helping you to achieve more. We look forward to teaching you more about Microsoft To Do in future videos. I hope you have enjoyed this introduction. Thank you very much for watching.